Hello and welcome. This is the first in a series of videos discussing the C# fundamentals. Today we will discuss basic output. First, what is C#? C# is a programming language where you can write applications that run on the .NET framework. It is an object-oriented language, meaning that you can structure your code around objects rather than actions and data. From an execution standpoint, it means that you could create classes and methods to be referenced in your source code. I'll be using Visual Studio in all these tutorials, but there are many options for development environments out there. If you need to download one, I have provided a link to Visual Studio in this deck, which you can download in the notes section of this video. Let's talk a little bit about the pieces of this tutorial. First, we need to declare a namespace. We declare a namespace in the header, which allows us to create and manipulate data within the parameters of what has been described in that namespace. Here we'll be declaring using system. The system namespace is a collection of commonly used value and reference data types, attributes, and other components. We will declare a class. However, this specific class won't have any attributes to it at this time. That said, we may want to use it as a framework moving forward. A class is a construct that enables you to create your own custom types by grouping together variables of other types, methods, and events. A class is like a blueprint. It defines the data and behavior of a type. Now we'll declare the main method. The main method is the entry point of a C# console application or Windows application. Public means that a method is visible from the outside. Static means that the method can be called without having an instance of the class first. Void specifies that the method doesn't have a return value. Now, from there, we'll want the program to do something. Here we'll use the Console.WriteLine method. This method writes the specified data followed by the current line terminator to the standard output stream. Now, what does that mean? It means that we will write static text to be displayed in our console terminal application. Now, you'll notice that when we execute this program, it will pull up the console terminal window, but it won't display any text. To display text, we have to insert an additional method. We'll put in the Console.ReadLine, which reads the next line of characters from the standard input stream. Let's see now how the concepts that we discussed previously actually translate into code. First, I'll declare the using system namespace, followed by the class. Call it basic output, curly brace. From there, declare the main method, another curly brace, and now I'll put in the Console.WriteLine method. Put in some text. Followed by a semicolon. Now you'll see here momentarily that when I run the program, first it has to build, that the dialog box appeared, but nothing actually happened. No text was displayed. So to make the text display in the console terminal, I'll put in Console.ReadLine. By a semicolon. Go ahead now and run the program once more, and you see now the text is returned. Thank you again for watching this tutorial on basic output in C#. This is the first in a series of videos. In subsequent videos we'll be building on these concepts. Now, if you've liked what you've seen, please like this video, leave comments for improving the video content, or provide feedback for content you would like to see in the future. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.